Oh, hold up. Peach Please, go get your merch. Go get your Peach Please shirts. Link in the description. What's good? Enjoy your birthday, Village Dre. Thank you. It is my birthday. We're reacting to NCT Baggy Jeans finally. Let's check it out. I see a zipper. I already saw it being zipped down, so I already know I'm in for some trouble. All right, NCT Baggy Jeans. Let's go. Let's get it.
Don't do it.
Nuh-uh. He is not whispering. He is not just whispering baggy whilst them literally just jumping over his ass. Baggy jeans. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Bro. Hey, yo, they rolling like that. Hey, yo. Okay. Well, shit. I am shook by. Oh, and he got the fuckboy eyebrow. Oh, that was fine. God damn. Hey? Ooh, I love that. Okay. He's just yelling into a bag of chips. I don't know. But I love that it's like super low key, like baggy jeans. But it's like hyped at the same time. Ooh. Hey. What's in your pocket? Oh my god, this is another fuckboy anthem, isn't it? Oh my god. Hey. 24. Ooh. Woo. Get it. Ooh. Shit, you got me wanting to wear baggy jeans. The way he was stretching though. On that cotton candy hair. Hey, with the jeans too. Oh, that was kind of clean. Hey, get it. Hey, Bubble B, feeling free. Ooh, that little pause too was fire. Oh, he is. Did he just bite his ice cream? Ooh, SM with their breakdowns though. Real talk. What you want more of? What is that? Oh, okay. Woo! Get it. Ooh. Hey. Hey, get it. What you doing in your baggy jeans though? Ooh, that was heat for real. Oh, the little AI like editing right there. Ooh, Walker with the swag, like Bubble B. Hey, you free? Damn, he just grabbed that in the background. Damn, baggy jeans is just gonna go up in price, bro. Bro, I am still shook by this scene right here. Like, what's up?
This is actually same.
I was up.
7 cents.
Yo, so do you. First of all, thank you for the bits. I was about to say, this reminds me of the 7 Cents era a little bit. Like, very early NCT, no? And I was like, this is a vibe. I mess with this. Open your eyes for real.
This is actually same members from 7th Sense.
And then this part coming up got me. Why did they add this part right here? Why? I just want to know why. Like, you see all the clouds around me? We in heaven right now, I feel like. I am speechless. Okay, baggy jeans. Okay, baggies. Let's go. That's pretty fire. Nah, chill. Nah, it gives me like a 7 Cents, like that's. It's the same people from 7 Cents, so I'm like, it feels like that too at the same time. Does that make sense? It doesn't sound like the song like 7 Cents, but it's obviously its own like aura, it's its own color, it's baggy jeans. But dang, why you staring at me like that? That you got the fuckboy eyebrows too. God damn.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.